gifted by the God, not to all, but select.
So कितना चैलेंजिंग था? How is challenging on the by-poll election?
तो देखिए मेरे को पहले से ही भरोसा था, पहले से ही मैं फुल कॉन्फिडेंस में था कि मेरे लिए जनरल इलेक्शन रहने तो या बाई इलेक्शन रहने इन माई मंत्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी, इफ़ यू आस्क मी फॉर मी इट मेक्स नो डिफरेंस. पूरा भरोसा था और आगे भी है.
What about priority on the as a Mandri constituency? क्या
Right in the sense I have to serve my people by giving all sort of their needs, demands, whatever problems are there in my Mandri constituency, I have to take it seriously and I will try my level best to get it solved. That will be in short period.
So your demand is there any on the cabinet minister?
See, as such for me, there is no to demand something with my party. I got faith in my party leader.
कि कांग्रेस छोड़ के बीजेपी में आने का है कि तो एक मिनिस्टर तो होना चाहिए ऐसा.
देखिए सभी को सब लोग चाहते हैं, मेरे कार्यकर्ता चाहते हैं, मेरी मादे की जनता चाहती है, मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि क्या होता है. देखिए ये बीजेपी पार्टी में एक तरीका ही अलग रहता है देने का. तो अगर उनको जो उनको तरीके से मेरे से मिल रहा है तो डेफिनेटली देने वाले तो है. The way what he acted from last 6 months, the trouble what he have given to me. If you ask me anything, I don't want to comment on Lakshmikant Parsekar. That's why I'm just requesting you, don't ask anything related.
party
You have demanded to sack him from the party.
No.
You made the same demand for the party.
No. I don't have any right to ask to sack from the party. Our leaders
So
are.
you are demanded.
No. If they want, they can sack. The thing what they did with the party, definitely their duty to sack him. For me, if you ask, no need to demand with my party leader. I was ready with this time also. I waited till last moment. Till last moment. Even just 2 days before the election date. Up to 20 or 21st of April. Thereafter, forget it. Who is Lakshmikant Parsekar?
No, but there is no but there is no slot left, sir. अजूनही slot left ना, so तुम्ही कसे पळायला?
Assurance made to me in Delhi by our honorable Rashtriya Adhyaksha and other party leader. That are there with them and also with me.
So तुमका assurance दिलेले तर
So you
ministry
are hopeful that you will get a cabinet watch.
Assurance was a cabinet work.
Just wait and watch.
Assurance was cabinet work.
Just wait and watch.
so जिस डिग्री से दिला देतो लोग का ना
Just wait and watch.